I know, I can't believe it. New formula from Beyond Burger. Want one?
Yeah.
Yep, make them teriyaki pineapple. Look at that teriyaki sauce. I'll put a little bit on the onion too. Teriyaki onion, jalapeno, bam. It's a $50 burger you're about to eat. You know about that, dog? That's what I do it around here. This shit goes right on the fucking burger. We're gonna hit him with the tots and the bacon. We'll make burritos tomorrow.
Taco burrito?
What? That's new shit. The assembly line, Bev. What you got? I'm gonna go burger first. Get some bacon. No. Pineapple. Have her some bacon. X marked the spot. Some peppers and onions. Some tomato. You know we need some greens. Finally, the avocado. Boom, boom. All right, I think we built a fucking empire of a burger on this one. Gotta add a little raw sauce. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna eat this. Ready? Watch this shit, guys. Yo, you gonna eat that?
God damn.
There's knives and forks over there. You good? You need to drink something. Bev up. Spicy? What you think?
That was great. Better than Chick-fil-A.